Okay, guys, take a look at this chart. What I'm going to do with you is I'm going to explain how to convert from binary to decimal, and then from decimal to binary. So let's take a look. So we're going to have 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Well, we don't have any 32s. We have 116. Then we don't have any 8s, right? We have a 4. We have a 2. And we don't have any 1s. So this is 16. It's 22. So that's how the number 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 in base 2 would equal 22 in base 10. All right, that's pretty straightforward. Now, how would we go back? Let's say I started with 22. How do we get this, right? How do we get the binary? So we're going to start with 22, and we're going to divide it by 2. This goes in 11 times. The remainder is 0. Then we have 11, and we're going to divide it by 2. This is 5. This is remainder 1. Now we have 5, and we divide it by 2. This is 2, remainder 1. Then we have 2, and we divide it by 2. That goes in once, and we get remainder 0. Then we have just 1. So 1. So we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this, we go backward. So it's 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And you'll notice that this matches that right there. So that's how we go backward. We go all the way down until we're done, and then we go backward to get the number. All right. So let's do one more example. Okay. Let's start this time. Let's start this time with the binary number, and then we'll do our division and check it. So let's start with, I don't know, let's start with 60. And 2. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. That's 6. That's 30. Remainder 0. Okay? Then we have 30. And we divide that by 2. That goes in once. There's 1 left over. That's 5. That's remainder 0. Now we have 15. And we divide that by 2. That's 7. That's 14. Remainder 1. Then we have 7 divided by 2. That's 3. That's 6. That's remainder 1. Now we have 3 divided by 2. That's 1. That's 2, and that's remainder 1. And finally, we have 1 divided by 2. That goes in 0 times, and that's remainder 1. So let's go backward up the line. So the number is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 0. And base 2. That should be 60 in binary. Let's find out. So it's 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. You could draw these, make your life easy. These charts help. So let's do it. This is 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4. So that's 2 there. Put the 0 there. 3, 4, 5, 6. And it is indeed 60 in base 10. So yes, this works. So again, this is the algorithm. You just kind of go right down the line. So that covers this video of how to convert from binary to decimal and how to convert from decimal to binary using division. Thank you for watching, and we'll move on to video 2.